guys, good morning. So I got a lot of requests telling me to show you more apartments here in Accra for rents and show you what you can get, the prices, how it looks like and everything.
And also to take you guys to places that are not so close to Accra, it's like 30 minutes away. It will be such a great joy for us to hit 5k subscribers in this month, and I can only do that with your help, so consider subscribing today.
Without wasting much time, let's get into the video.
Just a quick one before we get started. Okay. Really spacious. There's a lot of room here.
Just no, this one we'll close it down. We close it. First we want to leave it as a security.
Oh, okay.
But now we decided we'll close it. And make it a small store outside.
So is there anybody in the house?
Yeah, this one.
Oh, okay.
Close it's part there, okay, part there. There's a
Okay,
company
let
who
me
want
finish
to
it
do
inside.
it. But with coronavirus.
really like this space. I really like this apartment. I like and make do with the space whatever you want. The dining area, the living space, and it's really each room is en suite, so you have your bathroom dining area inside, and all of this.
It's at the back.
Washroom. Let's head over to the what's
For this particular apartment, it's going to be fully furnished. It's still under construction, so they haven't installed all the furnitures and everything.
All the rooms are
All the rooms have their own
okay, they got so this is the corridor.
Wow. So this is the porch, and then when you walk in on this side you have your kitchen area, which is still under construction. By the time they add cabinets, this place is going to be very good. Sorry you can hear the noise of the cars. The house is just along the roadside. Okay, so on this side is the hall, as it is called here. Then on this side, when you walk in, is your bedroom, I believe. Right. So this is your bedroom. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video and I hope you found it helpful. If you have any more questions, you can send me a DM on Instagram at _skybell. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next one. We want to hit 5k subscribers, so you can do well by sharing this video to your friends and telling them to subscribe. Bye guys.